Today I'm going to show you how to seamlessly apply a patch in less than an hour without sewing, so let's get started. Start by turning your piece of clothing inside out. Next, cut your patch, ensuring that it is slightly bigger than the hole. If you're patching pants like the ones I am today, I would suggest using a thinner material. I'm just using some extra 100% cotton from a previous project. Next, trim any loose threads around the area that you will be patching, and I went over the area with a lint roller to ensure that the area is clean. Now place a piece of cardboard in between your pants or whatever clothing item you're fixing to ensure that no glue will seep through to the other side. Grab your Speedo fabric glue, a Q-tip for precise application, and a dish or container lid to squeeze the Speedo onto. Align your fabric how you want it and apply some Speedo around the tear. Place the patch on the tear and apply pressure. Let the glue dry for about half an hour, and once the glue is dry, you can turn the pants right side out, and just like that, you applied a patch without sewing. Thanks for watching!